Been there, done that. And smile. This is where my cheeks are. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis, and in this video I will show you a very simple makeup look for fall, and this is going to be the first video for my 4 seasons makeup series. Every month I will post a makeup look inspired by our favorite things about the current season, and I have shared with you in a previous video that I like fall decorations. So in this video I will do a makeup look inspired by a specific decoration that I will show you. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite thing about fall, and I will do a makeup look inspired by your favorite things for the next month. We can also use Instagram for this makeup series. If your favorite thing is, for example, a book, you can take a picture of this book and use the hashtag makeup for seasons and also tag me at Vasilikis beauty tips, and I will know that you want to be a part of the fall makeup series, and I am super excited to see what I'm going to do for next month. I hope that you like the concept. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite thing about fall. After 3 months we're going to do winter, after that spring, summer. I think it will be very interesting to share our favorite things, and I will get to know a little bit more about you. As always, if you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for all my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. For today's video, I'm going to do a makeup look inspired by this cute little pumpkin decoration that has beautiful fall colors, and I got this one from a German store. It is called Nanunana. I want to do something very simple and everyday for today, and this is going to be the inspiration. Let's start with the makeup look. I'm super excited about this video. So I will use for primer the Glow Boosting. I have done a review about it. If you want to see, I will have a card here. For today's video, I want to be glowy. I want to have a more illuminating, healthy glow on my skin today, and I will use this foundation here by Maybelline. This is the Dream Satin Liquid in the color 20 Cameo. Is this correct? This one gives a glowy finish to your skin, and if you have dry skin like me, this one will make your skin look very glowy, moisturized, and not dry. My problem with this product is that the pump is broken. I broke it the second time that I have used the product, so be very careful when you pull the pump out so you can use a product. Also apply the product on the back of your hand, because the end of this pipe, it is very sharp. Don't apply it on your skin because you will scratch your skin. Been there, done that. I will apply the foundation with this sponge by Essence. And whatever you have on your sponge, just blend it on the neck so you don't have a mask effect of your face products, so everything will look blended into your neck. I also have a review about this foundation if you want to see the wear test and how it looks after a few hours on my skin. I will have a card. For concealer, I will use this one by Catrice. This is the Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer, and I have it in the color 15 Honey. Okay, so I will apply it on my under eye area, also a little bit upwards. Blend it very well before it starts drying and setting. This is the only way for me and this concealer to be friends, because if I apply it and let it sit a little bit on my skin and after that blend it, it is always very difficult to blend it and it creases. Maybe for someone that doesn't have very dry skin, it will work better. So I apply and blend immediately before it starts setting on my skin. I will also apply some on the sides of my lips to give an uplifted effect, because we have some natural shadows and I want to hide them and give them a more fresh and young look. Let's apply some powder. I will use a fixing powder by Artdeco Cosmetics. I always use for the eyes a smaller brush, and first of all I blend the product, and as you can see it creased already. Very lightly blend it with your finger and then apply again the same powder with a smaller brush. This is by Morphe. So I will do my brows now. I will clean them first with a Q-tip because I always apply on them foundation with my sponge. Always, always, always. And today I will use a Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color medium brown. I don't usually overdraw my brows because they are naturally very thin and they don't look very natural on me. If you have thicker brows, I'm jealous. If I try to make them a lot fuller, they look cartoonish on me and not natural in person. I am trying not to plug the underside of my brows. They are not growing, but whatever we can. For the eye look today, I will use this palette by Makeup Revolution. This is, I'm sorry, you're watching my ring light. This is the second collaboration that Soph Does Nails and Makeup Revolution have done. And I think that I have a lot of colors in here that I can do an inspired makeup look. They look very similar. I have the yellow, I have a green eyeshadow. I want to make it very simple and everyday. I like the colors. I have not tried this palette. Let's get this party started. So I will do some swatches because I have no idea the finishes of some eyeshadows. With an eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre, I will take eyeshadow every day and I will apply it for my brow bone highlighter. Okay, it's not as intense as I thought. It is a little intense. It is very shimmery and pink, but I applied a very small amount and I will just blend it. Oh yeah, that was a mistake. I applied the second layer. It's very intense. I will just try to blend it with no additional product. With an eye blender brush by Essence, I will take eyeshadow Cookie Dough and I will apply it into my crease. A small amount of product is very easily blended. I start from the outer corner and I blend it towards the inner corner and I'm going back and forth. You can also use circular motions and just try to blend this color very well into your crease. This blends very easy and very nice. We have some kickback from this eyeshadow. I will take some more and I will apply it on the other eye. And just try to make everything look very smooth and continue blending until you have a very smooth surface and you don't see some spots that they are more intense. That means that you need a little bit more blending. With an angled crease brush by Essence, I take eyeshadow Running Late and I will apply it into my crease closer to my eyelid. And I just press it into my crease exactly where my brow bone is. If you are not very sure where it is, touch your eyes with your fingers so you can feel where is your brow bone, and this is where mine is. And I apply this eyeshadow exactly on my brow bone and then I am trying to blend it back and forth into my crease and also a little bit outwards and also into my brow bone, so everything will look very, very blended. For the lower lash line, I will take a smudging brush by Essence and I will take eyeshadow Aurora and I will apply it all over my lower lash line. So this eyeshadow, when you swatch it, is a little bit lighter. It is not like in the pan. So I will use also eyeshadow Lakes with the same brush and I will apply it in the outer lower lash line. And it mixes with the eyeshadow Aurora and it looks very beautiful. I clean my eyeshadow brush on a tissue and I will take eyeshadow Vitamin C, tap the excess off. This eyeshadow has a lot of kickback and I will press it on my eyelid. This looks very nice. Also with the tip of the brush, blend inside your crease so everything will look very nice blended. This is how it looks with 2 layers of the eyeshadow. If you want to make it very intense from the beginning, you can use it on top of wet concealer. So don't set your concealer with any powder. Use the eyeshadow to set the concealer and it will look more intense. I clean my angled crease brush on a tissue and I take eyeshadow Lakes and I will apply it in the outer crease of my eyes. and also in the outer corner and blend it outwards. As we can see, I have lost the intensity of the orange eyeshadow, so I want to reapply it, and I will take again the same eye blender brush and I will take some more of the Running Late eyeshadow, tap the excess off, and I will just blend the edges because I want to bring back the orange color. With a pencil brush, I will take eyeshadow LA Sun and I will apply it in the inner corner of my eyes. After that, with a smudging brush by Essence, I will take eyeshadow Cookie Dough and I will blend the edges of my lower lash line. With an angle brush by BH Cosmetics, I will take eyeshadow Reputation and I will apply it very close to my lashes to give them a fuller look. In my waterline, I apply a black eye pencil by Tommy G Cosmetics. For mascara, I will use the Falsies Volume Express Mascara by Maybelline. So let's continue with the rest of the makeup, and I will use the contouring palette by Wet n Wild. This is in the color Dulce de Leche, and with a cheek brush I will take the contouring shade that we have. This is very soft, tap the excess off, and I will contour my cheekbones. And I always start near my ears and I try to blend it towards the tip of my nose, and this way I give a more youthful effect on my face. I will also apply some on my forehead, very close to my hairline, and I also blend it into my hair. A very small amount on the jawline. And with this brush I will also contour my nose. I take the product like this, tap the excess off, and I will apply it exactly on the sides of my nose, also on the bottom of my nose. With the same brush I will take the blush box by Catrice Cosmetics in the color Golden Coral, and I will apply it in the highest point of my cheeks. And smile, this is where my cheeks are. With no additional product, just continue blending the two products together. To highlight my face, I will use this highlighter by Wet n Wild. This is in the color Precious Petals, and with the brush E40 by Sigma, I will take just a small amount of this beautiful highlighter and I will highlight the cheekbone, and this is the top of my cheekbone, and a little bit on the top of my nose. After that, with a big fluffy brush and big circular motions, I blend everything, and this is by BH Cosmetics. On my lips, I apply the High Shine Gloss by Marc Jacobs in the color Love Buzz. I will need to use a little bit more of this palette, and I will also do a separate review, swatches and some makeup looks with this palette. Let me know if you want to see a specific look with this one. I think that I look a little bit like my pumpkin today. We are exactly the same. I think this makeup series will make me get out of my comfort zone and do something different every time. And I'm very excited. I hope that you also like the idea. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments below what is your favorite thing about fall. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!